G'day everybody, it's Steve here. This is one of my personal favourites I'd like to do today. You mightn't have heard a lot about it. It's called Dancing in the City, recorded in 1978 by a British duo called Marshall Hayne. I don't know, it's got a lot of airplay. I just love the vibe of this song. I love playing it, and I hope you enjoy it. It's called Dancing in the City. Let me know what you think. You're a stranger here and you need some action. We have a remedy that really catch on. Pleased to see another face that light up time.